If you own crypto right now and you're trying to convert it to Naira very fast and instantly, then the Remitano app is one of the best apps you can use for that right now. Now, I've been using the app since 2021 and I've talked about the app so many times on this YouTube channel. And one thing I love about the Remitano app is how simple it is. And in this video, I'll be walking you through exactly how it works from start to finish. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is that if you guys remember from my last video about the Remitano app, I only talked about the swap feature and how to use it. And in that video, so many of you asked me to make the P2P tutorial video for the Remitano app. And that is exactly why I'm doing this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to convert your crypto to Naira in seconds. I'll be showing you how to buy crypto with Naira on the Remitano app. I'll be showing you how you can store your assets safely on the Remitano app. And I'll also be showing you how you can withdraw your money directly to your local bank without any stress. All of this inside the Remitano app. So this is going to be like a full Remitano tutorial video. So that being said, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of the Remitano app. You have deposit, buy, sell, and withdraw. Now, if you click on deposit, now deposit can be in two ways. Now, you can deposit your local currency right here on the Remitano app, like your Naira, and then you use it to buy crypto on the app. Or you can actually deposit your crypto directly into the Remitano app. So let's, for example, you have crypto from another exchange, or maybe you have someone that wants to send you crypto. This is the feature that you use. Come here to deposit, then click on crypto, and then to show you your wallet address. Now, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. Now, if you want to deposit your Naira into your Remitano account, here's what you need to do. Now, come here to where you have the fiat, just click on it. And then you can see that you have four different options right here. Now, if you're a Nigerian, you should be clicking on NGN. So come here, click on NGN. Then you come here and enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's, for example, I want to go ahead and deposit maybe 20,000 Naira, for example. Just go ahead and put 20,000 Naira. And then you can see right here, it says pay with local bank. So it means that you can directly pay from your local bank. Simple and straightforward. And then once you've done that, just come here and click on continue. And right here on the screen, you just need to come to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm. So once I click on confirm right now, it will show me the account details or where I need to send the money to.
A few moments later.
So I have just made the transaction, I've sent the money already. So once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen here and click on I have paid. Now, please don't click on I have paid if you have not sent the money. Please. So all you have to do is to wait for them to confirm the payment, and once it is confirmed, you get your 20,000 Naira in your wallet on the Remitano app. So you can see right there on the screen, I've just deposited 19,950, and you can see our 15 Naira was taken for banking fee. So the banking fee is charged by the partner bank, not by Remitano. Take note of that. So if I click on this here, if I click on it, you see charged by partner bank. So it is charged by the partner bank, that is the person I traded with on Remitano. So this is not charged by Remitano. I just want you to take note of that. So that's the first option to deposit into your Remitano account. And like I said earlier, you can deposit crypto directly, or maybe if someone wants to send you crypto and then you want to convert it to Naira later, you can receive the crypto directly into your Remitano app. So if you come here to where you have deposit again, the second option is what you have as crypto. So if I click on crypto right there, you see the different options of cryptocurrencies you can deposit into your Remitano account. Just click on USDT right there. Once you click on that, come here and select the network you want to use. So if you want to use TRC20, just click on it right there. And then again, it will show you your wallet address. So just copy it and send to whoever is sending you USDT. And then the person will enter the amount and send to this wallet address. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to swap your crypto to Naira on the Remitano app. So if you want to do that, it is simple. I'll just come here to the bottom side of the screen where you have swap. Just click on that. Now, this swap feature is for those of you that maybe you have some crypto in your Remitano wallet and you want to swap it to Naira and then maybe withdraw the Naira into your bank account. You can use this feature. So here's what you need to do. Now, the first thing you need to do once you get to this page is to come here to where you are from and then select the crypto you want to swap. So let's, for example, I have maybe USDT in my wallet. I'll just come here, click on this BTC, just click on it, and then to show you the list of cryptocurrencies that you can swap. So you have a lot of cryptocurrencies available right here that you can swap on the Remitano platform. So let's, for example, I want to swap my USDT. I'll just click right here, select USDT. And then once you've done that, you come here to where you have to select the asset you want to receive. So you come here, you can see it is NGN already there. But if it's not NGN, just select it and then search for NGN right here. So just come here, search for NGN, and then to show you this is Nigerian Naira. So it means that I want to swap my USDT to NGN right now. And then the next is to come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to swap to NGN. Now, let's for example, I want to swap 10 USDT. You can do that. Just come here and enter 10. Or let's for example, you want to swap everything in your wallet. This is what you need to do. Just come here to where you have max, this max right here. Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will automatically enter the value for you right there. And then you can see the amount I'll be receiving in Naira. Now, once you've done this, just come here to where you have preview order. Just click on it right there. And right here on the screen, you need to confirm all of the details you've entered to make sure that everything is correct and it is what you want. So once you've confirmed everything on the screen, the amount you are swapping and the amount you are getting, just come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm. So click on that. And you can see your swap order is being processed. So you can see right there, it's not even up to 1 minute, it's not even up to 30 seconds. So you can see right there, the USDT has been swapped to NGN and I have my NGN in my wallet. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to convert your crypto to Naira and get it into your bank account instantly on the Remitano app. Now, let me show you what I have in my wallet first. So if you come to my wallet right here, so it can be any crypto of your choice. So you can see in my wallet, I have about 21.23 USDT. Now I want to show you how you can sell that USDT to get Naira into your bank account instantly on the Remitano app. Now don't forget that you can use it for any crypto. If that you want to sell your BTC, your ETH, whatever crypto you want to sell, it is the same process with what I want to show you right now. So let me go back to the home page. So you come here to the home page on the Remitano app, and then you come here and you click on sell. So I'll click on sell right there. So you can see right here on this page, it says sell USDT, and that is because it is USDT that is here. But if you want to sell another crypto, maybe you have another crypto in your wallet that you want to sell to Naira, then you come here to this drop down arrow and then you pick the crypto you want to sell. So for me, I want to sell USDT because that's what I have in my wallet. So the next thing is to come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. Don't forget, this is my balance. I have 21.23 USDT. So I'll just come right here and enter maybe, let's say 21 USDT, for example. I'll just go right there, enter it, and you can see I'll be receiving 28,999 Naira. That's the amount I'll be receiving. And then you can come here to enter the payment narration that you want to put there. So I can come here and enter maybe Remitano. And just put it right there as the narration. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to come here to where you are receiving account. This is where you'll be seeing your details, where they'll be sending your money to. That's if you've entered it before. But if you have not entered it before, you'll be asked to enter your details. So just come here, enter your account details, and then they'll be sending your money to that account. Don't forget. So once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on sell USDT. And then right here, you come to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm. That is after you've confirmed all the details on this screen. So I'm going to be blurring everything so that I don't see my account details. So once you've seen that and you've confirmed everything, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm.
A few moments later.
Now, in less than 2 minutes, I have just received my money into my account. Now, what you have right here on the screen is what I love most about this process on the Remitano app. So you can see right here on the screen, after you've gotten your money into your account, they will still ask you to verify that you've gotten it into your account. So you can see right here, it says verify payment, and then you come to the bottom side of the screen and click on I have received. So this is to confirm that you've received the money into your account. So I'll just come right there, click on it, and then at the bottom side of the screen, I click on confirm again. And just like that, it is completed. I have converted my crypto to Naira and I have gotten my money to my account in less than 2 minutes. It doesn't even take up to 2 minutes at all. So you can see right there, the process is simple and straightforward. It's just in 3 steps. The first step, just come here, click on sell on the home page, enter the amount of USDT or any crypto that you want to sell, and then enter your details. And that is all. And then you get the money into your account. So if you're the kind of person that you are looking for a way to convert your crypto to Naira and get into your account in seconds, then this right here is the best app for you to use. So in summary, you have just seen how to buy crypto on the Remitano app, how to sell your crypto on the Remitano app and get it in Naira, and also how to use the P2P feature on the app. So if you have any more questions about the Remitano app, please ask them in the comment section below, or if there's any video you want me to make about the Remitano app, please let me know in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to create your Remitano account with the link in the description of this video. Like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.